Oh, there's no way in the world that works. Yeah, there's no way in the world I would plug that in. What's going on, everybody? This is Scott, also known as Cha-Ching King, and I am at an estate sale in Berry, Texas, and it is in the middle of nowhere. Let me show you real quick the neighbors. So I'm gonna head in here and see. I think this person was a legit hoarder, so let's go see what we can find.
All right, here's the deal. This is a hoarder's ranch. There is no shortage of anything, okay? So most of the big stuff is priced, but we encourage you to make piles. We'll cut you an awesome deal, okay? Are we clear on this? Yep. Okay. Are y'all ready? Now, nobody rush us. Nice orderly. We got stuff in the house. Everything along here for sale.
Like, I've never seen it before.
Teresa right here. She'll break the sale behind here. Okay.
If y'all are gonna have a fight, if you'd let me catch it on camera and like give me your names and stuff first, that would be.
You know what? Let's be honest. If you're talking to me, you have a better chance of me punching a guy than I'll ever punch him.
If anybody does not want to be on TV, stay away from this guy. He's filming today.
Oh, good to know.
And that's not a place where you would like to go. I've got cigarettes and brandy, which could come in handy if you just help me loosen up my hand grenades fuse. Baby, don't refuse my truth, but it's up to you now to choose. I want you to stay true to what's right for you, no matter who or know what will others say. Just find your way and try to stay true. I want you to stay true to what's right for you, no matter who or when or what will others say. Just find your way and try to stay true, 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 true.
Oh, there's no way in the world that works. What does that say? MoneyGram?
Yeah, MoneyGram. I think they used to do bilingual tax services.
You know, that would kind of make sense with some of the other things we've seen out here. This is shot. It's cool, but no, it can't be fixed. No, no. Oh, it's got dirt daubers in the electrical stuff.
You love dirt daubers.
If you don't like them, you need to move out of Texas.
Right?
I'm gonna ask him. I mean, what's the worst he can say is throw a price at me I can't do. Yeah, there's no way in the world I would plug that in and hope.
We'll find out first thing in the morning. The morning of we find out. So you can call us or come back.
Excuse me. Can I set this down somewhere?
Of course, you can. Right there is perfect.
I pulled this out of the mud.
Are you serious?
It's not a beer site. It says MoneyGram or something on it, but
Yeah, so microwave it there and I'll go pile over it.
Okay.
so. Which we've already got it sold over here on this spot.
All
right.
Fun, Scott.
I'm having fun. Like, I love these kind of places.
All right.
How'd you do, man?
Good. Yeah.
Yeah.
Came out to like $2.30 a pop.
Oh yeah, that's cheap enough.
Yeah.
Good luck.
Oh,
Good
women's
luck.
items though. Yeah.
Yeah, well, you know, it just is what it is.
Oh yeah, yeah. I don't want to slip and fall on here. I'm far from home.
No, yeah, I am too. I don't have a whole lot this time.
Yeah, like I said, I've been to Florida. I was like, I'll just take it.
You're already here.
Yeah, I'm out here.
Yeah.
You know?
There was a Nike jacket, but it was ragged out. Did you see it?
I did.
It had paint on it,
Really?
big swoosh on the back.
Really?
But it was paint. Like,
You know where it was at?
Yeah.
I don't know. I might go.
yeah, I can't imagine anybody took it. So
Should have
that's
known.
what she always says.
Should have known I was in here doing that.
A windbreaker?
Yeah. Yeah, no, I picked it up and sorry.
Yeah, the oh, there it is. Oh, that's I think that's a vintage boot. Yeah,
Bootleg.
yeah, vintage bootleg. It's good though.
I would never say I don't pick them up unless I
Yeah.
know. You know. How do you know it's a bootleg looking at the tag?
The
'Cause-
stitching was off.
Just not
They-
straight?
They didn't really do stuff like that.
Okay.
And then also, this black tag.
Right.
If you see this black tag, it should be a little bigger. And
Right.
It should be, black tags are usually 90s or 80s Japanese
Okay.
Nike.
There you go.
But yeah,
Then good to know.
just everything all around.
It didn't look real to me,
And I didn't
but
see a lot of name brand stuff in here, so that's a tall tale too, you know.
what do you think that thing would have popped for?
The Cowboys?
Yeah.
Well, I specialize in 90s, so and in my store I kind of get like,
So you would probably get more than I would.
yeah,
Good.
like honestly, like I could find a collector and get anywhere between 1 to 150.
I think I'm done, Matt. I didn't get a whole lot. I got a few clothes, a grommet repair kit. There's a hat. There's an old cheerleading outfit, a couple of sweatshirts, and a purse. The Mexican one. It didn't have. Oh yeah, it did.
Yeah, that's not mine, but that's okay.
Okay.
I'll cut you.
This was in the mud. Like it's not a beer. It says MoneyGram on it.
How about 30 for everything?
Oh, that's a bargain. Appreciate it. I got a few vintage t-shirts. I got an old MoneyGram sign, which I don't have a clue if that's worth a plug nickel, but okay, Melody is at her mom's house. This is the sign I brought home. I did clean that part off. And I knocked off most of the dirt daubers that were in the thing. So let's see what happens. I did clean that off a little bit just to knock off the stuff. Oh boy. What? No way. Let's shut some lights off. Are you kidding me? Yeah. That's awesome. That is just crazy. I'm gonna call it a day, and I will see you on the next one. Bye.